Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we studied chapter number 6, scene 1 I completed. Isn't it a very wonderful chapter? मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? जिन्होंने तेनालीरामन की सीरियल देखी उनको तो ज़रूर मज़ा आता होगा, राइट? चलिए, तो let us begin today's session. Before starting, yes, this is yesterday's homework. That was on page number 83, question number 2. You see them over stale food. They can make you sick. What are they? They are flies. F-L-I-E-S. Now S का sound इधर S-E है. That's why the answer should be S. Every board game needs this. It has numbers from 1 to 6. What is that? 1 to 6 numbers किस में होते हैं? Dice में. D-I-C-E. Dice. तो the sound is S. The staple food is white and grainy. It is served with lentils or some gravy. Lentils is दाल के साथ या gravy के साथ. This is rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. तो rice में the sound is Z. When you win a long race, you accept this with grace. The answer is prize. P-R-I-Z-E. So, and the sound is Z, right? So, flies, dice, rice, and prize. Chal. Now, this was yesterday's homework. Yesterday, we completed scene 1. Right, in scene 1 it was a scene of night and in the bedroom Mangamma with her husband Tenali they were sleeping, and in the middle of the night she thinks that there are some thieves in their garden, and Mangamma tells Tenali to use his wit to catch the thieves red-handed. Right, chaliye, now let us begin with the second scene number 2. In the garden outside Tenali's house, two thieves are arguing. Arguing माने दलील कर रहे हैं या बातें कर रहे हैं उनके एक दूसरे के साथ. Thief 1 says, "You fool, your clumsiness amazes me. How can thief be so careless?" Clumsiness is बहुत careless हो जाना. I mean, your things are shattered and your belongings are here and there. So and by when you're walking mistakenly you fell down many a time. So these are all signs of clumsiness. दौड़ा दौड़ी करते हो, भागा भागी करते हो, पैर फिसल जाता है. These are clumsiness. So thief 1 is scolding thief 2 that you are so clumsy. और मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि ऐसे clumsy लोग चोर कैसे बन गए, because you need to be very sharp when you are thief. Right, so thief 2 says, "I'm sorry boss, it won't happen again." Right, he apologizes for his behavior. Right, by mistake क्या कर दिया है उसने, जैसे आप देख सकते हो ये जो bucket है वो गिरा दी है. Right, so there was a sound from this when two vessels had fallen down on each other. Right, so then he says, the second thief says that he is very sorry and he'll take care. Thief 1 speaking very low, "Be quiet now. No more of your silliness. We don't want to make more noise." The second thief opens his mouth to speak, but the stern look from the first thief makes him change his decision. He nods nervously. राइट, उसे अपने सफाई में बोलना था. जैसे अगर मैं इफ़ यू हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग, अगर आप कुछ नॉटीनेस कर रहे क्लास में, इफ़ आई एम स्कोल्डिंग यू गाइज, सो मेरी आंखें देख के आपको पता चल जाता है कि नहीं मैम आप कुछ नहीं सुनेंगे. इन द सेम वे द स्टर्न लुक, स्टर्न इज स्टबन लुक. राइट, वो लुक देख के thief 2 he is not giving any of the arguments. He is just nodding his head कि हाँ ठीक है आप जो बोलो वो ठीक. Right, thief 1 whispering and pointing at the house, "We have to be careful. Tenali is a real clever fellow. I don't know why people find him so likable. He's close to the king. I'm sure he has a lot of valuable jewels in his house. He helped to put my brother in jail. Tonight I will show him." Right? what was the reason why they came to Tenali Raman's house was because he was well known for his knowledge. He was very well known or popular for his wittiness, right? और कभी पास्ट में कभी कहीं इनके जो थीफ वन है उनके भाई को भी इन्होंने तेनाली ने जेल में पहुंचाया होगा. सो दैट वेज ही वांटेड टू टेक द रिवेंज. उसको बदला लेना था. ही वांटेड टू टेक द रिवेंज, राइट. सो ही टेल्स ही वाज हैविंग कि तेनाली ना ही इतना होशियार है, लोग क्यों उसको पसंद करते हैं. दिस आर ऑल हिज ओन थिंकिंग, राइट. Suddenly, a light comes from the window of Tenali's room. Suddenly, light was, and while people were discussing this thing, in the room there was light. Thief 2, run! He is awake. We have been discovered. Discovered माने हमको देख लिया शायद से, वे हमको पकड़ लेंगे अब. The second thief turns around and is about to run away. Thief 1 grabbing the second thief. Grabbing माने कॉलर से खींचना या पकड़ना. No, you fool. Look, they are just talking. They surely don't know we are here. Let us listen to what they are talking about, right? Thief 2 says that शायद उन्होंने हमको पकड़ लिया तो better कि we'll run away. But thief 1, he was over smart thief, so he told that no, they are just talking. Let us hear what they are talking. This is end of scene 1, scene 2, right? जो new words हैं वो last में ही underline करेंगे. So let us begin with scene 3. इतना तक clear everything, right? As it is a play, अगर आप imagine करोगे कि as this is a story, then it would be very easier for you, right? चलिए, let us move forward to scene number 3. Inside the house, Tenali is talking with Mangamma. The thieves are just outside the window, trying to listen their conversation. What is conversation? When two people are talking, then that is known as conversation. Tenali says loudly, I just had a bad dream. I saw that some thieves were about to rob us. Mangamma acting scared. Oh no, that is really bad omen. What is omen? Omen is कभी ऐसा लगता है कि फ्यूचर में कुछ खराब होने वाला है. Something is going to be bad with us. Right, so that is not a good sign. So she says they are all acting, my children. This is what Tenali ने जैसे हमने देखा scene 1 में they were having this discussion about the thieves and now they are just pretending. ये जो बातें कर रहे हैं वो pretend कर रहे हैं, जोर जोर से बात कर रहे हैं ताकि thieves सुन सके. So Tenali says, I just can't sleep like this. Rising swiftly is quickly. I will make sure the jewels are safe. Let us put the jewel box in the well. If there are thieves around, they will never find it. He goes outside and drops a heavy box into the well in the garden. Tenali says, it's done. Those mischievous thieves will never find it. Goes to the bed and pretends to sleep. Pretending या pretends is नाटक करना, right? कभी कभी मैं आपको डांटती हूँ तो आप कैसे नाटक करने लगते हो, झूठ मूठ करो ना, शोरी मैम. That is pretending, right? चलिए, thief 1 rubbing his hands with excitement. Excellent. The fool does not know it, but he has put his jewels right into our hands. Come, let us grab that box and get out of here, right? So Mangamma and Tenali जानबूझ के ये जोर से बातें कर रहे थे. And what Tenali did, he said that let me put the whole jewels in the jewel box and I will throw it in the well. Now what is well? This one, कुआं, राइट. अभी तो बहुत कम देखने को मिलते. अगर आप गांव में जाते हो, गामड़े गए थे जब लॉकडाउन में, at that time you might have seen this in your villages. This is well, generally founded in the villages. So he pretended to throw this box into the well and thief 1, when he saw this, he told that it is very easy, हम वहाँ से ही सीधा बॉक्स को निकाल लेंगे, right? चलिए, let us go to the final scene 4. What happens? Understood this para? Okay. चलिए, if you are having any kind of problems regarding anything, please let me know. Give me a call. I'll be giving you a call back, right? चलो, scene 4. The thieves are beside the well. They are trying to figure out a way to get the jewel box out, right? अभी इन्होंने तो ये डाल के वो सो गए. He pretended that he is sleeping, right? But then थीव्स तो सोच रहे हैं कि अब इसमें से ज्वेल बॉक्स कैसे निकाले. ज्वेल बॉक्स माने जिसमें सारे गहने रखे जाते हैं. Thief 1, he thinks he can outsmart me. I will figure it out in no time. Thief 2, look boss, the water in the well is too low. There is a bucket hanging over the well. We can use it and drain it in a couple of hours. Then we can pull the box out. Right? What the thief 2 suggests that जो कुआं है, the well है, उसमें the water level is very low. Right? So what you can do is you can drain out all the water from the well. Thief 1 says, aha, I have an idea. Let's drain the well out. He said the same thing in a simple sentence, right? Thief 2 looking insulted. Insulted माने क्योंकि thief 1 is trying to show that he is more smarter than the other one. That's why. But that's what I said, right? He said कि वही तो मैंने बोला. तो इसने बोला नहीं, जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ वैसे करो. Thief 1 smacks thief 2 on the head. Smacking is टपली मारना, जो सर पे टपली मारते हैं ना, राइट. सो आप जनरली वी ऑल डू दैट, टपली मारना. सो इट स्मैक्स द थीफ ऑन हिज हेड. नाउ शट अप एंड गेट टू वर्क, राइट. Thief 2 says, rubbing his head, yes boss. वो बेचारा बोला कि ठीक है चलो, yes boss. It is nearly dawn, DAWN. Dawn माने जब सनराइज होता है, बिफोर द सनराइज, जब सूरज उगने वाला है, दैट इज नॉन एज dawn. और dusk, दिस इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ dawn, DAWN, dawn. And the opposite of dawn is dusk. Dusk is DUSK, dusk. That means जब शाम को सूरज ढलने वाला होता है, उस टाइम को डस्क बोलते हैं. जैसे मॉर्निंग होता है, आफ्टरनून होता है. सो dawn is early morning, before the sunrise. And dusk is after the sun sets, जब रात भी नहीं होती है और शाम भी नहीं होती है. It is nearly dawn. The first thief is sleeping near the well. The second thief has just pulled the box out of the well. Thief 2, boss, I have it, I have it. Thief 1, seeing the box in the second thief's hand, I have done it. That Tenali is not as clever as everyone says. Look, he hasn't even put a lock on the box. Let me open it. He snatches the box and almost falls over. It's heavier than I thought. The box must have a lot of jewels. He opens the box, right? जब सुबह होने वाली थी, the first thief was sleeping, but the second thief was there in this chapter, who is there in the garden. He took the box out of the well. That means उसने ही पूरा पानी निकाला होगा well में से, right? And he told his boss that, look boss, I have found it. And as soon as the first thief woke up, he snatched that box away and he almost fall. And he says, he added that कि तेनाली कितना बेवकूफ़ है, उसने ताला भी नहीं लगाया in this jewel box, right? And when he opens the box, let's see what happens. Thief 2, boss, you don't look so good. What is wrong? Thief 1, shaking. It is full of rocks. He thinks he can get away with this. I will show him. He turns around and finds a city guard in front of him. City guard is जो पुलिस होती है, अभी के ज़माने की पुलिस. That time it was king who ruled over the kingdom. So they were having the guards, the city guards, right? So the thief, उसको चक्कर आ रहे होते हैं. Thief 2 asks him कि sir, boss, आपका चेहरा क्यों ऐसा हो गया? Thief 1 replies that this box is full of stones and I will show him. I will take this revenge too. But as soon as he turns around, he saws a city guard in front of him. Guard says, don't move, we have caught you red-handed. Tenali from behind the guard के पीछे से Tenali is replying, I never put the jewels in the box. When I heard you outside, I thought of a plan to catch you. You see, while you were busy draining the well, I went out through the back window and called the city guard. Also, thank you for watering my garden. You will be rewarded greatly in prison, right? देखो उसने कैसी चतुराई की, उसने पहले यहाँ इनका ध्यान यहाँ कर दिया, राइट? एंड व्हाट ही डिड, उसने बैकयार्ड में से जंप करके ही कॉल्ड दी पुलिस, द कॉप्स, द सिटी गार्ड। इन दैट वे इनके साथ चिल्लम चिल्ली भी नहीं करना पड़ा, मारपीट भी नहीं करना पड़ा, ये दोनों पकड़े भी गए। साथ में ही थैंक्स दैट उनके गार्डन को पानी मिल गया, राइट? सो ऑल्स वेल दैट एंड्स वेल। By using his wit and wisdom, Tenali Raman solves the case. Isn't it very interesting chapter? Yes, I know it is. Now, today's homework would be writing new words in FNB. I'm not underlining any new words over here. You do it by yourselves and write it in your notebook. Right? What would be today's homework? Today's homework would be write new words in your FNB. Clear? Chaliye, read the chapter once and underline the new words and then write it in the notebook. I hope you understood the chapter. For any queries, don't hesitate to call. Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.